Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. Now if you also want to learn to use text to speech on ChatGPT, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now to use this text to speech feature, firstly you need to head over to another tab and there search for Talk to ChatGPT. Now from here you have to tap on the first link, Talk to ChatGPT, and then you have to add this extension on your web browser. So tap on Add to Chrome button and there again tap on Add extension. Now refresh the page and there you will be able to see this type of box on your screen. Now you have to simply tap on Start button and there tap on Allow button. Now pick and there
Certainly, as an AI language model.
Now once you pick up, ChatGPT will instantly respond to your command. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can use text to speech on ChatGPT. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.